Hello everybody. Let's solve some problems uh, based on structure in C language. Uh, this is very important to solve question online to prepare for interview, screening interview. Okay, now I will share my screen. Share screen, entire screen, select and select. Now my screen is visible. I'm switching from window 1 to window 2. Yeah, I have already created structure employee, and this is my main function, and main function is invoked by the OS, that is operating system. Structure employee one, enter employee ID, name, salary, and okay. Now I have one more question. Display employee is already complete. This is my display employee I have created. Let's do one more thing. Write function to find the highest salary employee from given array of 10 employees. Okay. Find the highest salary employee from a given array of 10 employees. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to create an array of employee type size 10, and I have to store the employee details, ID, name, salary. After that, I have to find the highest salary employee. Uh, okay, what I have to do first? Okay, simply simply I am creating a function highest salary. Function actually I will change it to different. I will show you later. You write a function for highest salary. Highest highest salary employee, and main function is not from this function is not receiving anything. I will create all the employee array only in this function. Okay, how do I create? Like I said, if I create a array of int type size 10, how will create? I'll create type int a like this. In the same way, I will create employee type what employee type e 10, and when you write employee you have to specify the this is a struct. Okay, this is perfectly employee. Why this is happening like this? Actually incomplete text is not allowed. Maybe there is some mistakes. It is also important to take, I think updated is already click restart. I'll not restart it. What I have to do, I'm specifying. Okay, if I do now, I'll declare this function name before the main function. I think there is some mistakes. Okay, can I try this way? Why I'm not able to write this in this way? Mm, What I have to do? Okay, I know that I can write like this. Let's ignore. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to I have to enter the employee details. Actually, it is like uh, A1 0. This is 1 and A1 1. This is 1 and like this is A199. And these are what? This is a one employee variable, and in this variable you can store ID, name, salary. Okay, now I'll mm, I'll create a variable. This is a case sensitive programming language, so you have to know that are you writing in capital letter or in small letter. If I write in this is not a keyword in C language. If I write that this is a keyword in C language, and I and I'll write for I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. I is less than 10 means it is starting from 0 and it is up to 9. When it is 10, the condition will be false and for loop body will not executed. Okay, writing this. Now the first loop, in the first iteration, I will print a message and then mm, give them a way to enter ID, name and salary. Okay, print and enter employee, employee salary, employee ID, name and salary. Okay, and enter first employee. Okay, enter percent and I plus one. Zero plus one is one. Okay, enter one employee ID, two employee ID. Okay, this is like that. And now I will accept the what? Okay, now what I have to do? I will scan a percentage and address of AI dot what? ID ID address. Okay, and the next f plus buffer is empty. What I will put in the this is important to this is also important to get help of ChatGPT. Okay, writing what I'm writing that. What is my requirement? I'm using a plus in a plus in C. See how I will. I'm not using this function. And now I use f gets I will give the p1 dot name and floor also 20 and HTTP and E1I. Okay, E1I is a first array. Is it a way to? I'm confused. Is it a way to declare? Is it a way to declare this perfectly correct. Now what I want to do, uh, I take a item get CSR. Okay, I have to take get CSR. Get CSR. Get CSR. And then okay, and it's percent accelerate. Control C and then Control V. And this is address of the this is I dot salary. Okay, all the details are entered. Now what I have to do, what is happening with this actually? I'm not happy with this. Can I just do, there are different functions. This should not be uh, this should not be error. Okay, I'm entering to okay. Now what I have to do? Now I have to find the highest salary employee. How do I find? Okay, I will go from first employee to the last employee. Okay, moving from first employee to last employee, there is loop, and let's go with I equal to 0. I is less than 10, and I plus plus. And I will compare this employee with this employee. I will compare actually this employee salary with this employee salary. If the, this employee salary is higher, I will put this on okay. First I uh, have to create a employee um, employee uh, employee employee high salary, employee high salary, employee salary. Actually, this is just a name. Okay. When you write employee, this is a structure. You have to write structure. Structure. Okay. And I will assign E0, E10. Suppose E10, E10 employee salary is highest. Suppose, and I will start from the second employee, and here I will compare if max salary dot salary is less than E1 I dot salary, then just uh, change the uh, make salary employee salary employee. Yeah, okay. Just change the max salary MP assign in one dot five. Next, check. And what you just print the after completing this, I should print display. I should call the display. Okay, I can also call that function from here. But I will not call this. I will just write highest printed highest salary employee is highest slide and print at percentage and max salary and pay dot id name and name percent s salary and salary should be is it okay. Print this in a new line, and there is already a new line, so new line will be print. It should not be. Should I call it? Should I call it? Okay. Eliminate all of these. I'll just call highest salary employee. this SWC and for as a again assign 42 items. Array type has incomplete element text. Okay. There is error in 25. This is 25. On declaring it, array type is incomplete. And I'm declaring it like this. Right. I did this. It shows array type is incomplete. Array type, array type has incomplete element type. Okay. Array. Now this is perfectly correct. I think this is correct. Let's check. Enter fast employee ID name instead. One name is Gopal. Salary is 25,000. Enter second employee ID. 2 Lakman give 1. Third ID is 3. Name is okay. 4 is okay, ID is 4. Name is Gasov. This is 5. And name is Sudhir. Salary is 45,000. Name enter 6 employee ID is 6. Kumar. Salary is okay. Employee ID is 7. Name is Suklal. And salary is 42,000. 8. And I'm giving Thakura. And 42,000 employed enter and 9 employee ID is 9. I'm writing my name. My salary is 41,000. 10 ID is 10. And what is the name of Minak? See, 30,000. Check. Highest salary employee is 5, Sudur 45. Is it correct? I think this is perfectly correct. Write a function to sort employee according to their salaries, refuse structure from question. Write a function to sort. I have to create one more function, and in that function, I will sort the employee based on their salary. Is it? So I will name the function as salary. Where salary sort employee. I'm not taking anything, and I have to declare it before the main function. Void is the name of sort employee. Sort employee. Done. And now what I have to do? I'll take all of these is like this, and I'll not waste my time writing this once again. And I have already done. Now I have to sort. How do I sort? Okay, if you want to sort, you have two variables. I don't know if it is needed. I use it no, unless I not use it. Okay, for I will starting from I in 0. I is less than 10. I plus inside this for a low body. I will write another for. It is actually I'll compare this employee with this employee, and then this employee, and then this employee, and then this employee. If this employee is, if salary of this employee is higher, I will swap employee to here, and I will move this employee to here. Okay, so how I have to do? I have to create one more folder body for I j, this is j, and j is equal to I plus 1, and j is less than, actually it's 1, and it goes up to 9. Okay, I'm writing 9, but okay, what I want to say, it will check is, I will write it here so that I can figure out. It is starting from 1, and then 2, and then 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. 9, and it's not going anywhere. Okay. 9. 9. I will write it 10. It's okay. I plus plus, j plus plus. Okay, now what I will do, if a1 I is I dot salary is greater than a1j dot salary, then I'll swap this. I'll employment, and when you create an employee object, you have to specify the stop keyword before. And then I will write a AI I am sending AI and then a temp if better. Okay. When I go to the second time, I don't know what is happening with this, and after that I will include all of this once again. How do I print? For I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus, and then display, and what I'll give, start A1 is perfect. A1 I is a variables I'm giving to this function, and it printed all of this. Should I increase this? No, should I decrease this? No, and now I have to call it from sort employee. Now I have to call it returns. One, I'm just giving a name. Two, three, another employee has what more I will write. Four, maybe it's Melissa. Yes. I didn't give any ID to. Okay, now I have to create. So name Kajol Agarwal. Okay, six name is what will I give them? Yes, seven. I will name is Karthik. And I'll try it. It my noise name. And I'll give student. Okay, now I have to compare actually short employee salary. Salary, I will write here. Salary, salary, and I'll make it. I'll create a function on short employee according to me. This is also same as like same as this short employee with salary based on salary. This is for short employee. Controls. But here I'm not going to add here. I'll compare it based on their name. Um, E1 dot E1 dot name. Just simply I have to not include test function in header file. I have included a string header file, and here I will compare it easily. Compare strcmp uh, comparing what e1 dot e1 I dot name and e1 I ij j dot name. If it is in greater than equal to 0, then I will come to this body in body, and I'll swap this is I think this is there should not any modifications. Next let's simply my 44 assignment is completed. Now I have to move to the next assignment, that is difference between two time period. Write program to store information of 10 student and display them using structure. Okay. I'm a biolog इसको को ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ. ओके string